National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for East Central Henry County, Northern Des Moines County, Southeastern Louisa County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Mount Union, or 11 miles northeast of Mount Pleasant, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near morning sun around 6:35 p.m. Wapello and Amber around 6:40 p.m. Oakville and Toolsboro around 6:45 p.m. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following county: Louisa, Iowa,